Hi, we're gonna talk about what kind of cameras should I install in the property. We have bullet cameras, we have dome cameras. Which one is better? Actually, they can have the same electronics, the same components inside. Same resolution, the only difference will be that sometimes the bullet camera can get the image, we can zoom in and zoom out more than the dome cameras. Why we use bullet cameras again? Sometimes because of the position of the cameras, the sun sometimes gets into the dome cameras and burn the LED lights, the infrared lights, that at the end it kills the camera faster. We like to put the dome cameras when we get close, when the image is close to the cameras. It's a pretty nice camera. Don't forget to, when we install the cameras, don't forget to install the cameras with the right mount. Sometimes you see those mounts that doesn't belong to the camera. If you have a nice property, then use a nice and correct mount that it will match the color of the camera, it will match the size of the camera. For many reasons, waterproofing, dust, insects, everything can kill the camera. The connectors, change the camera. Look at the other video. Sometimes because we have to put vandal-proof camera, we use this kind of cameras. This kind of camera, sometimes it depends where it's installed, it's good. But sometimes the weather, again, it give it to you condensation inside, because it's not like this, that the lens are flat and straight to the image. The vandal-proof camera have a cover, and sometimes because of the heat, because of humidity, give it to you condensation, and eventually you will have to open it up and clean it up. Again, the same steps. You have a high definition cameras, then take care of the cameras, right? Clean the lens. If you need assistance, call us, text, send an email. We're here to help if you have any questions. Remember, we have a free site survey. Sometimes we can just help you over the phone and tell you what you might need, but the best way to do it will be if we set up an appointment. We go ahead and take a look at the property, and we'll give it to you with our best recommendation. Don't be afraid to give it to us if you have a budget. Sometimes people are scared about the budget. How much it's gonna cost? It's gonna cost $1,000, $2,000, but your budget is limited. It depends what you're looking for. Sometimes the people are saying, okay, how much is gonna cost me? I'll give it to you the best price that we're gonna give it to you for our installation. But sometimes you get another quote, it is much cheaper, but then we're not comparing apples to apples. I have to compare what's the quality of the camera that eventually is gonna give it to you. This is like an investment, right? You're taking care of your property. What would you like, to install the cameras and keep it up there for years? And you just wanna pay and then just keep your cameras in your system, but it's gonna work, what, 4-6 months? You want the system that works for years and get your investment and keep safe your properties. Just give us a call and trust in us. Just call us. Thank you.